Welcome to Autologic Zone, where we explore the most luxurious and mind-blowing vehicles on the road. Today, imagine opening the door and stepping into a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a full-size, double-decker luxury apartment. This is the 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome, and what you are about to see completely redefines comfort on wheels. The moment you enter the living area, the sheer sense of space instantly grabs your attention. Thanks to the double-decker design, this area feels wide open and incredibly airy. The ceiling height makes you forget you are inside a motorhome, and the large panoramic windows wrap the space in natural light, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere throughout the day. Whether you are parked by the mountains, the beach, or in the middle of a city, the views from this living space are simply stunning. The seating arrangement in the living area is designed for pure relaxation. Plush sofas with premium upholstery offer deep cushioning that feels perfect after a long day on the road. The layout is smart and spacious, allowing multiple people to relax comfortably without feeling crowded. This is the kind of space where you can stretch out, enjoy a movie night, or simply sit back with a coffee and watch the world go by through those massive windows. What really elevates this living area is the attention to detail. Soft ambient lighting runs along the walls and ceiling, creating a warm and modern vibe, especially in the evening. High-end finishes, clean lines, and a refined color palette give the space a calm and elegant feel. Everything is positioned thoughtfully, making the living area not just beautiful to look at, but incredibly practical for everyday use. As you move further inside, you realize how well this living area balances luxury and functionality. There is ample storage hidden seamlessly within the furniture, keeping the space clutter-free. The flooring feels solid and premium underfoot, adding to the sense that this is a true home, rather than a temporary travel setup. Whether you are entertaining guests or enjoying quiet time alone, this living area adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. Now, as we head upstairs to the bedroom area, the experience becomes even more impressive. Climbing up into the upper deck feels like entering a private retreat, designed purely for rest and comfort. The bedroom is spacious, calm, and completely separated from the living area below, offering a level of privacy rarely found in motorhomes. At the center of the bedroom is a large, comfortable bed that instantly promises deep, restful sleep. The mattress is designed for long-term comfort, making it perfect for extended road trips or full-time living. The space around the bed is generous, allowing you to move freely without feeling restricted. This is not a tight sleeping corner, but a proper bedroom that feels open and luxurious. Natural light continues to play a big role in the bedroom as well. Well-placed windows bring in daylight while maintaining privacy, and at night the soft lighting creates a peaceful, hotel-like atmosphere. The design focuses on relaxation, with soothing tones and premium materials that make the room feel calm and inviting after a long journey. Storage in the bedroom is both stylish and practical. Built-in wardrobes and smart compartments provide enough space for clothes and personal items without overwhelming the room. Everything feels neatly integrated, maintaining the clean and elegant look of the space. This makes the bedroom ideal not just for short trips, but for long-term adventures where comfort truly matters. What makes this bedroom truly special is how quiet and stable it feels. Even though it sits on the upper deck, the design minimizes noise and movement, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted rest wherever the road takes you. You wake up feeling refreshed, surrounded by comfort, with panoramic views ready to greet you as the day begins. The 2026 Scania Double Decker Motorhome proves that life on the road does not require compromise. With a living area that feels like a luxury lounge and a bedroom that rivals a high-end hotel suite, this motorhome sets a new benchmark for mobile living. It is designed for those who want freedom, space, and comfort all in one incredible package. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury on wheels, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Autologic Zone, and share it with fellow motorhome enthusiasts. Stay tuned, because we bring you more amazing vehicles that redefine the future